What's up, Paris? We're live again from the one and only Paris City. I know it's been a long time, guys, but yeah, it's been busy with some stuff and haven't found the time to do great videos. But now, since I got back to Paris yesterday, thought it's a good time. Okay, so let's check it out. So as you can see, it's not very busy today. The camera is blinking red. Not sure why. Alright, for some reason, camera is still blinking red, but fuck it. As long as it's working, we can go around and see what's up. So, the thing I love about this city is like this nice streets with like businesses all around, and it's something we're lacking in Berlin. This type of streets, for example, they're very, very cool. Let's hit it. So, it's been a long time. I hope you guys are good. Hope you're having fun. I hope you have some nice plans for the summer. Europe summer is not looking very well. It's currently June and I'm wearing a jacket because it's pretty cold. So yeah, ain't looking well, I have to say. So I'm gonna be here for a week, so I'm thinking about like filming every day a little bit and yeah, putting it together and dropping the video for you guys. As you can see here, we have Miami Boulevard. It's very cool. I like the colors. It really looks like Miami. Crossing Lord and Peace. Oh Lord, I love the streets. They're very, very cool and nice. Someone is having a fight, shouting. Not sure what's going on there. It's not my direction. If it was, I would have found out and told you guys, but not my direction. Well, although I don't have any direction, to be honest with you, I'm just following my whatever comes. You get the Delirium here. It's a very famous Belgian beer. Oh, it's not bad. Good prices. Ice cream lovers. Here we meet again at the entrance of Jardin du Luxembourg. So let's check it out. So this was the Parc de Luxembourg, guys. Tune up for some more stuff. I'm gonna go check out other places that might be cool for you during your stay in the Olympic Games, and on to the next location. See you guys. Now it's time for le Panthéon. Ouais, c'est pas mal, faut essayer. Ouais. Comment? Salut. Ah, dites-moi, rue de Panthéon, c'est par ici? Non, rue de Moufetard. Super. Merci, bonne journée. Okay, just as this, I was walking and these girls were saying in French, oh, everyone is having these 360 cameras now. And I was like, yeah, they're not bad, you should try them. And they're like, oh yeah, really? Can we be on it? I was like, yeah, sure. And then I asked them again for the way to the next location, which is Rue de Moufetard. All right, making my way to Rue Moufetard. Now we are, Rue Moufetard, as you can see. So apparently it's one of the also cool places to see. There's the police behind us, or in front of me. All right, making my way to Rue Moufetard. Now we are, Rue Moufetard, as you can see. So apparently it's one of the also cool places to see. There's the police behind us, or in front of me. Ladies and gents, we're done with the Rue Moufetard. On to the next location. Ciao.